southern origin of Nile Valley culture is illustrated by the many deities within the Kemetic pantheon who were said to have originated in the lands to the south. These regions were known as Ta-Netjer, which translates to the land of the gods. The sacred land of Ta-Netjer encompassed a region that stretched from the land of Punt to the mountains of the moon located in the Great Lakes region, deep within the heartland of East Africa. The Blue and White Nile, known as the two fathers of plenty, was believed to be the source of all creation, where the great potter, Khnum, molded the first man from the rich alluvial soils. The ethnicity of a faction of the inhabitants of the land of Punt was briefly alluded to in the Festival of Min at Medinet Habu. A man who takes part in the festival recites a hymn to Min, and he is referred to as Nehisi in Punt, which translates to Nubians of Punt, illustrating the connectivity of these Nubian populations and shared lineage of Ta-Meri, Ta-Netjer, and Ta-Seti. Gerald Massey argued that the roots of Egyptian civilization lay deep in equatorial Africa. In this passage from ancient Egypt, the light of the world, he challenges Eurocentric history and affirms the African origin of the Nile Valley peoples.
The Egyptian record, when correctly read, will tell us plainly that the human birthplace was a land of the papyrus reed, the crocodile, and hippopotamus. A land of the Great Lakes, or in Apta, at the horn point of the earth. That is, in Equatoria, from whence the sacred river ran to brim the valley of the Nile with plenty. The track of civilization with cities bringing in its footprints is seaward from the south, not upward from Lower Egypt, which was a swamp when Upper Egypt was already the African home of civilization. Egyptians always gave priority to the south over the delta in the north.